Now that they will sell his car, use the money to buy materials to work for this person. By the time this man came back with the money, sorry, the network is bad. We are going to manage. Now, in this video, he mentioned Governor Zioku for telling him to pay back the money. Liko Nyara, Liko Lodoa. Everyone funny language, and as soon as my place, and I say, engaging Katashrono. You see this one? Mbeji I didn't see my mouth. This one, all the two toy. I have had complaint from Ndi Okija and only Ishi. So this junkie collected somebody's car, and the guy came back to collect his car. The place he parked this car, even that he will balance some money. Hold on, let me call somebody from Okija. A native doctor called me from Okija and laid serious complaint about this guy. I say I have like 10. Look at where he mentioned Governor Zioku. Everything in this shrine is all nonsense. Fanta Yiboro. Brothers, do you see how these people intimidate people? Intimidate the innocent people. He said by his own mouth that they paid the woman's money out of 17 million, 2,300,000 or 2,500,000 was paid. This native doctor withheld the money. For your information, let me inform you. There is a native doctor who is in prison as I speak to you. You know what? Somebody laid a complaint to him, and 5 million naira was paid to that particular native doctor. The native doctor ate the money. Okija over block. Thank God for one of the young man's relatives who went and apprehended him. He's in prison custody as I speak to you now. Where is Ndemiri? Where is Ndemiri? The same picture is what will happen to this one. Mark today's date. I sacrifice everything around me. This one must be brought to book. Until I bet everything this one will be caged. Is a promise I'm giving to you today. Go and mark my words today. At all costs. You know what? This guy, nowadays will be video or Jik, was the first person who brought this guy to social media and started showcasing him. Now a good native doctor. People were going there and they were frauded. Ego, how are you? Obiadada. Even as at this morning, did you know that this stupid native doctor came live on Facebook? Or their live on Facebook. While he was making live program, live broadcast, he had only 2 viewers because we monitor closely. Somebody came there to ask him, why did you beat my daughter? I said on camera like this. He was saying that live camera. Let me call somebody from Okija. A native doctor, his fellow native doctor. After watching my video, this man was touched. He called me and said, Governor, You stand by what is right. And we must appreciate this. The man volunteered himself to do everything under the sun to ensure that justice prevails. A native doctor, I don't want to call his name.
To copy this tune, press 1.
Justice must stand. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Mr. Governor Zioku.
Okay.
And just to inform you, according to my rules here, I'm on live broadcast, on live program.
Okay.
And I wish to ask you questions. I don't know if I should go on, if I should go ahead. Hence, I'm live.
I 100%.
Okay. The whole world is listening to you. Akwi bo onye Okija.
I'm onye Okija. I'm a high chief. Okija.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Thank you, sir. Ima Obiadada.
I'm a Obiadada.
Okay. I believe Inugo the matter, according to what you said you heard, you saw my post, and you came and listened to me, and you took time to listen to my other messages, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you said what I do is right. Akwya?
If you are the more aka mmadụ onye mmadụ inwe problem jekwu nwanne ya bụ ka onye ri aka maka ọ na-agba ọkọkọba mmadụ ọchekwu nwanne ọkọba anụmanụ ojere osisi.
Okay. Sir.
Ihe dị lady mere ị na ihe na-ekwu ihe dị lady mere dị right na mmadụ ji ụgwọ ọ bịakwute ka ị gbara ya ụgwọ ya dutebe ịgbara ya ụgwọ anwa were ego anwa bunyere ya ọ bụla gịnị ya kwuru na ya n'ihi ya were afọ a were nke na okwere ya ka ị ghara igbuchi ụzọ maka echi. Maka mmadụ a na-agafe n'ogbosi ogbo gbachie maka orichira tiwa ọkụ na mataba na ọzọ ya akpụ ya echi. Yeah. So amụwa ana m agbara mmadụ ụgwọ uche ọ nwụrụ maka security purpose ọ nwụrụ onye uri mma ụgwọ 30 million. Ana m agbata dị ụgwọ a na-akwụ iri ego ahụ direct iri akwụzụ ụgwọ ahụ nye m abụọ m were nke m nye m anyị gwụrụ m extra 200,000 naira.
Okay.
Were kene eme ekene jejide ego ahụ ọ dịrọ mma iru chukwu iru mmadụ maka ị na-eme ihe n'ụwa biela ana sọpụrụ elu biela ana maka ihe na-egbu mmadụ n'ụwa mefụrụ ya aba ana na-egbu mmadụ maka nna m tụrụ ilu si na akpọbụrụ ọhụrụ ihe anyị maka ego okwu ya onye ogbu ebe onye ọbụla tere ibe m ka ọ bụ dibịa ka m na-eme dibịa ka ọ na-eme ọ metara ya.
Okay, ewere something chọrọ ịjụ gị sir. There is a complaint in Natara.
Yeah.
Ima this dibia ime ọfụma.
Ama m ọfụma.
Okay, sir. If there were somebody gave me information na enwere onye ọ na moto na onye abịa ka arụ ọrụ ọ nara onye a moto ya ọ bụ eziokwu?
Ka ahụ mere ka mana mechakwa setụrụ ya.
Okay, emechakwa setụrụ mana o siziri moto the person abi?
Yeah.
Okay. Enwere different other complaints that I may not say here. Mụ a ga-eji pile on my actions. If there were there so onye dibia na onye a na-aga contrary against the true culture of Igbos.
Yeah, about ọdịnala n'Okija. Ị na ihe ndị?
Yes, sir.
Ọdịnala Okija anyị nọ, anyị registered. Onye bụ onye isi ọdịnala n'Okija bụ agbara nke nwa Frute. Onye isi ọdịnala n'Okija dị registered anyị nọ. Ya bụ onye isi ọdịnala anyị nọ uche onye ọbụla adị ọdịnala. N'ime ọdịnala anwa ya na-eburu dị ndụ ha. Ịkwara mmadụ ụgwọ nara ego ya ọ mgbe isi ọjara mmadụ ego ka ọ rụọrọ gị ọrụ onye ahụ egwuru ego a rie arụghị ọrụ ahụ arụ anyị adịgaghị ụdị ndụ ahụ achọpụta na ọdịnala ahụ iwuru ọpịpị na adịbeghị ya iwuru ntaramahụhụ dị na ya a ga-ego you suspension.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, this matter now, don't be offended, eh? This matter, a man complained they go to PG Okija. The PG did not do anything.
Even a PG I am not allowed. But I'm not a PG Gawa, this young was him at PG Okija. He was police, I will supply with security Okija. And now you are arrested, but your mother is and I put you at the police, the other person.
Okay.
I already got this image Okija.
Okay, because yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Because I'm very, very glad it helped one with number the PG or the possible you sent to me. Because I mean no harm. Come Okwaya so that he will be aware. Because sir, I will come to Okija. I give you promise, sir. I will arrest this guy. And the more I see the lady, Abali Abrumonya Kebe 10 naira out of that money, that lady in Yakwanam. Okay. Okay. I will make sure with my own money, my own strength, everything. Now me make sure this young man. And the lady in India, as I speak to you, on a in India. But by the grace of God, I am talking to some of my friends. Because she needs to be around. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. To say the truth,
okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. Please, you can help make only sin that place. That it is not as if I am disobeying them, but akowali akodi aware. A case of 120,000 naira. Somebody brother or joy going in account to the person had willingly we are here with 120,000 or say no may transfer 120. Now there's the next day the person they may transfer the 120,000 number say afa name we have 100,000 may now you need 100,000 call that na business here man they get about afa now 20,000. This man he may transfer 120,000 or be at the next day or may when all the busy make it as I call it make it as a threat in a way now to say barrier na bani no worry 100,000 guys we na bola rose. Okay, the man I do here cake RC eja agwa gi here without telling me I was already afun here on my last card obido threat in what the man no ya akuya ogwo. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Udodi, sir. I will do my possible best to reach out to justice. To reach out. Also now, Ogara speed the main video na also on Romu and a shrine. Or he mentioned Governor Zioku. He mentioned JPAC. But that of JPAC is by the way because I don't need JPAC. I need the home help with JPAC in this matter. Me, so more. Ye make sure they jurumonya afọ or ya he no feninka. So you people please sir. Okay, there is no problem sir. I just want to say thank you very much. Thank you. You are one of the first person I have heard from Okija condemn Rodestin regardless of anything, and you said you are bold to say it anywhere, any place. No, a criminal act.
Yeah, because
so,
and the secondary because they were bad laws. I'm not getting any of them to work.
So bad.
So the big man is no silver doing, but not some papers. I don't know there. I do to a cabinet habit. Which I'm not getting. I had some more and thought I wanted more. But there was the one way and I was never go down to Raja. I didn't know that to her. They become out of the but I'm not. Oh, yeah, I'm what if it's Victoria is not there? If I don't want you, we can one more equal. If one more, I can't know what another one. I call I did a better one to a Jerry Patel.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Governor Zioku says thank you. Thank you, sir. I will save this your number. For being truthful, I will save this your number. For standing by what is right, I will save this your number, sir. I assure you. Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. Have you heard it? Did you hear the truth now? Many of these so-called Ndi Dibia actually made the lady intimidate in Egoya. Without knowing that this world is no longer the same. It's no longer the same. This guy will be persecuted. I assure you. When judgment against evil is passed, therefore, every other person will be careful not to commit such thing. He pays dearly. I said he pays dearly. This one will serve as a lesson to others. He must serve. I will come to that shrine by myself. If they are going for arrest, I will come. Governor Zioku will mark my words. I will be at the front. Judea. He will serve as a hot tea to the round. It is compulsory. Ndi Igbo na Anambra State. Tomorrow you say that na go no war, na go no attack unjustly. But you have seen this thing. Tonight I will call very many of them and tell them, can you see it? Because on their own they were supposed to have held this guy. If they are just, they were supposed to have held this guy. Ogajik, I gave you prophecy one day that these people, many of these people will rip you down. Go and write it somewhere. You will see it come to pass. This life, you don't need everything. Hello? Yes. Thank you. Okay, onye kamani aleku?
Yes, onye Okija can give me aleku.
Onye Okija?
Yes, onye Okija.
Okay, go ahead.
This case, Okija Nine Adigo aware of this case.
Thank you.
A young guy want to shop this money, and as far as Okija is concerned, that young guy will never shop that money.
Thank you, sir.
A lot of people on our side they buy on particular side in a Putrend Okija for Joe, which not drama.
Okay.
MSC number send reggae, you bought the number. Oh yeah, on you saw the nana buy. Many people are not good this case. I called the young man at the phone. The young man on Osia, I'll buy it tomorrow, next tomorrow, this one. I watch him na million. Yeah, what then a million, upon a million, I support your job. Yeah, what then a million warrior, upon a million, I support your job. Yeah, what then a million bodia.
Yes, now I am not shifting. I am not moved an inch. And even I told him on the phone that he was supposed to print my picture. Ganyen dem minia honaka. Oh my God, Azro Fanta.
This side, they are never be which not very wrong. This lady complained with this person. I am a India. I don't know the person I took Pugia.
She told me.
Case of 17 million. But also into what a guy will send the Alonyanka. If you don't want car. Since over 2 months. Or them or drama. I want PGI Okija did go away of this thing.
Okay.
Many people are looking at a phone on Tuesday. This one, I gave me, it's not good. On your phone, when you
Thank you very much. My humble greetings and appreciation goes to the people of Okija. I want to appreciate them for standing tall to condemn evil in their own land. Nature will do them favor. Nature will do them good for standing this bold. I increase my level of respect for Ndi Okija. And they don't need to stop. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I the first person money I could not be. Okay. Thank you very much. But Ndi Okija can need take action. Okija people who need to mobilize. Gamonya arrest onya adi emedibia. You onya neme 419 and to avoid the baby ahondo bojono. Okay, sir. Actions needs to be taken. I will do everything to support Ndi Okija. All right, we are moving. Non-stop. He tampered with the high lane. The lady who owns this money now, she's stranded in India. Oga, I don't know why people refuse. That lady, you know where I blame her so much? Please, everyone, I need you to look at this. In your wildest dream, in this particular world, in this dispensation, look at the kind of person this lady went to, called to help. Ndi Okija gano kutu onu shrine onya. Kwa yesi bote na aba mmadụ ọkụ ba na onye ọkụ mebiga afọ onu. Ba ni ọkụ ba ni shenia from your village. Now everything no money. Le Nikonya, le Ifrikia. What a dirty black ass. See, if this guy goes scot free, two things are involved. Is it that I am my life? Then he goes down for this, or he goes in for this, or I am lowered under the 6 feet. It's a promise. Before I go this far, know that I am out for everything. I have different complaint. Mandon and a phone. He collects phone from people. Handsets. What a poor mind. These are the things I tell you every blessed day. The difference between Oba and Anambra, you keep him quiet. It's not to call Zioku on the phone and tell me to pedal now. This thing not be like this. Look at error there. Somebody is spoiling your name. I especially want to thank the people of Okija. Somebody's asking of my number there. This guy, he's not even a qualified criminal, because before a qualified criminal will do something, he's supposed to have checked. Will I be able to conquer this? Will I be able to overcome this? His own is empty. So these are the kind of people you go to. These are the kind of people that collect your money. These are the kind of people you go to. As wise as you are.
I just commented my number there and you'll see it. This is what people are passing through. So the small Oko. So with your own normal human eyes, so you will remove your SIM card and give your phone to Obiadada. Yet if I talk, he go open. I swear to God Almighty, I've seen a pastor who collected clothes like this. Clothes somebody to Biago canceling on Siaga, no got to put an IAGM assignment. What the guy no manapa with designers, and he has taken it from you. The people of Okija, you have things to do now. You need to sanitize your place. If you're from Okija, if there's nothing you can do, make calls to Okija. Okija will only go see example before the main thing will reach him. Kwakasiano, that place, there's nothing there. If you're afraid, call me. Give Governor Zioku permission. In 30 minutes, I could tell him that place about your just sign. That's all I want. If you call him marry speed, Oshi. You can imagine his people, the people of Okija complaining that he has been saying he will pay today, he will pay tomorrow. Hold on, it's like somebody wants to join me here. Let me bring you in. You can imagine that. Okay, this person is not here to join me. I thought somebody wanted to join me. You see the atrocities, you see the evil they commit. You see the kind of evil these guys commit. Why will a village or a community or a town allow such people to exist amongst them? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, reduce the volume. Reduce the volume of your set. Yes.
And this problem that you people are having in this social media or from Facebook of Ishi is that it's you people that will take the action. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Yeah, brother.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
Adema. Hello, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. What I'm trying to say here about this issue, and what I want you people to do is to use people to take.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Thank you,
that
sir.
Woman that have this money may make order. If it's that the woman have somebody.
Okay, sir.
Even though if you call me out tomorrow if you call me out tomorrow and you want to see his house, me myself, I can take him to his house.
Okay, sir.
I even saw him this evening. Are you getting me? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
To catch him is too small. To get him is too small.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, please, I will need your help on this. I will save your number right away. I will call you immediately after this program, sir. I assure you. Thank you for making yourself available to help us grab him.
Are you getting me?
Okay.
But this thing that you people are doing, even the lady, if it's that the lady want to get him today, this night.
She's in India. This lady stays in India. I don't know her from anywhere. She only got my number. Somebody told her about only for me to find out that she was saying the truth. So before I came in like this, I called this native doctor from Okija. I explained to him, give this lady this money. Take your 10% and give her the money. To some point that I said, okay, if you take your 10%, still take extra 100,000 and just refund this money to this lady. She is suffering and stranded in India.
Governor, you people are wasting time. That is the only thing that I have to tell you people.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting me?
Okay, sir.
You people are wasting time in this issue.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will do as you have said. We will kick into action as you said.
Even the money that you collected, I don't.
Yes, sir.
Even when you get to, there is a place they call pipeline. When you get there, we start spreading money, doing a lot of things with somebody's money, and which is very bad. So what you people have to do is to take action. Okay, sir.
I assure you, so far the people of Okija cooperate with me, sir. I am very, very sorry for tagging Okija, the entire Okija.
Some people will be scared to come out in this issue. But when the woman come out full and complain to the security, we have a security in this Okija. Are you getting me?
Okay, sir.
And the security is aware. It's the woman to just bring out money to give the security, or you go to mission to go arrest this man.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, please, let me keep this one as a security intel. I will call you back just after this program, sir. I will call you back. I will call you. I have saved your number already. I will call you back, sir.
No problem.
I will call you. Thank you, sir. All right, everyone. This is the Shanamite. Ordinary easy. But we must do this together. I really love these people, these Okija people. I really love these Okija people. They are wonderful. I have never known them to be this kind. But thank you for proving it to me today. Another person called me, so let me call him back again from Okija. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. I had to take someone's call before now.
Yeah, my brother,
I didn't matter. Why, sir? Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, if that's our brother,
okay, sir.
Somebody have to take the police,
yes, sir.
I think that's our brother.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to follow that now.
I will not fail, sir.
Yes, that money, money.
I will not hesitate, sir. Okay.
Does even the
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So I'm
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Igbo, I can with good people. I come with good people. We still have good and wonderful people from Igbo extraction. You just heard what they said. This Okoko native doctor will just collected 2 million naira. He goes about spreading the money, carrying na chomaka organiable, na kodorime, they go bike. If that's someone a shop. If we hadn't come, maybe he would have started building a guest house. Tomorrow you hear him saying guest house. If at all he had packaged himself well, brother, trust me, he will start eating people raw. I don't know how people reason. So you are doing all manner of evil and atrocities, and your village, your people said no, this is wrong. Ndi Okija, the respect I have for you now has increased. I'm telling you, They are spoiling the name. Even Okija need to look deep into these things. Why would they bring a dead body from somewhere into your village? Book where na shrine na buy na video. They post it on the internet. They are trying to destroy the image of the innocent Okija people. And when the good people in Okija.
God, I thank you.
And when the good people in Okija. I have met people in Okija the good. But these few elements, they will come. Maybe you don't know about this. The native doctor I told you about that was arrested and detained, sent to prisons. He's in prison custody as I speak to you now. His name is Ekwensu. He answers Ekwensu Okija. Somebody reshuffled his name and now put Ekwensu Okija. Somebody paid 5 million naira belonging to another person to him, who owed the money and was threatening these people. How long shall these things be? If at all, if not for my type now, if I am one of those Ekuke people, the moment he goes to the river and threaten you, this and that, very dirty pig. Both him, both that, those things you see him doing there, they are all bunker. What do you get with value? No one there has, and what do you hold me? Anyway, he is valueless as far as I'm concerned. I don't know what you're afraid of. I don't know why you are panicking. I don't know. Now, if not that I am careful not to unleash the image of this young lady who summoned somebody in the shrine because of her own image, peace for the sake of her family and relatives. Do you know that they would have spoiled her name? But this matter will be handled carefully. Her image will remain. I assure you. There's no mistake about this. What is putting fear in you? Okay, somebody, Jerry, please said, I know Ekwensu as a scammer and a big liar. We don't know what. He's in prisons. We will do everything under the sun to ensure that the true culture our forefathers left. The men of old, those men who were like Moses, that their dignities, their legacies stand. Not these things these ones are doing. You say what we are doing is not making impact. The other one in Asaba has started teaching herbs now. Don't also go to him because he is teaching herbs. So what is their cover up? The main evil in him is still there. He has not changed. This is the Shanamites. Those ones who went and arrested JPAC for saying the truth, go and check their page now. Let them make one video. Somebody said Happy New Month. He's watching now. Happy New Month. Since yesterday till now, 3 comments, 1 share only. We are reducing him. I assure you. Hapo he's bragging. The distance between you and these guys. Jerry, you say you don't know that Ekwensu is in prisons. Now he's in prisons. He's in prisons. Okija people stood their ground to ensure that justice prevails. I respect the good people of Okija for this. And anybody that will spoil the name of your community, your place, you people should face that person squarely. Everybody should team up and face that person squarely. You don't need to be afraid of anything. Don't do that. Even when the Okija people know the US, they still divided. They send some home. They reach out to people. So they will be there working hard. They will come on the internet and watch one Okoko, one Enyerime that has not been to Lagos before, destroy the image of these people. Tarnish the image of the innocent ones around Okija. Make sure you follow the People's Governor. That's my page. Ensure you follow the People's Governor. That's my page. You get why? We got information some time ago. Monies were shared that this page should be reported. They did everything to achieve that. It didn't work because the Shanamite is not joking. Okay? So please viewers, you don't need to be afraid. Speak up when it's necessary. Stand for what is right. Don't be afraid. If you're a Dibia, like this native doctor now, the Dibia who called and condemned what this man did his own, I owe him a lot of respect. I owe him a lot of respect for speaking of the truth, for standing for what is right. You won't see me speak evil of him. Even if he does something wrong, I will call him. And so, God, this one not they good though. Chetapa. Oh yeah, case me. I will give him that respect. Please stand for what is right in the Dibia. I'll call very many of them on phone. Tonight I will do that. Any number I want to get, I'll get it. I'll call very many of them on phone and tell them, you said your image need the genuine. Only can destroy it. Let no one destroy your image. If you've got an image to protect, then you need to take action right now. Because if it is not now, then there is nothing you can do. I just dropped the page of the People's Governor. I just commented it here. Okay? So follow. When you see, even he threatened the lady American Ebu na chete to him, see again. Ebu. He has tampered the wrong lane. So thank you viewers. I'll get back to you when the yam is done. I'll get back to you. Everybody will hear the smell of it, so that the whole nose, all the noses around, will be careful. This will be done. Justice, that's what we stand for. God Almighty is on our side. You don't need to be afraid. Nature is on our side. And therefore, we got nothing to lose. This guy will be dealt with. I assure you. I can assure you. Come and see me. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Do not please mind the people you deal with. If a native doctor tells you something, check it very well. If it's genuine, then you can make your own choice. But if it's not genuine, take a walk out of there. Respect that native doctor whom you go to do evil at the shrine and he tells you this thing will cost you your life. Don't do it. Go back and appreciate him. In days of old, native doctors does what pastors cannot do. They cancel you. They tell you the truth. Listen, for instance, there is a leaf I will plug at my backyard here and give you. Attire and you sleep. I'm telling you, in less than 20, let's say in less than 10 minutes, you start sleeping. Did you know I plugged this thing and showed it to a native doctor? Also, no matter. I gave him this leaf to watch for minutes. He couldn't say anything about it. Also, no matter. Manambabo, Obiabo, this sleeping tablet in a gonna chemist. Thank you, everyone. I don't want to take much of your time. I love you. I love your tomorrow. And I want the best for you. That's why I tell you to be careful. Do everything to be careful. They know that what we are saying is truth. Many of them will turn back to me and tell me you are right. And I respect many of them. I respect them for acknowledging the truth. I have met a man who closed his shrine because of this truth we preach here. I became encouraged. I became strengthened. I love you and I wish you well. My name is Mr. Governor Zioku. Do everything to follow my backup page. Alright? I will ensure you are loved. I will do my best to ensure that you are respected at all costs. Let me hear from this last caller. Hello? Thank you. Sadima. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, Okija.
Yeah.
Okay,
about this case, you know, I'm not going to that case. Case you have to put
okay, sir.
Which is Namo or this guy and my papa. Say about this guy, I will go down to man. If I be maybe say for Okija.
Yes, sir.
I'm recording in America. Okweshi no ga for the owo. Which is not a plan. One double threat yam na nku no we mmemme nku send and ya bobu na South Africa.
Oh, we're going to send the nigga to South Africa.
Oh, for voice the voice of no ya bobu mo de obono no record ya. You don't only the person no record the voice send the alarm. Na nye ya nsogbu nya kwuo dị ụgwọ ọzọ na ọ ga-agbagbu ọ ya gbande ga-agbagbu na South Africa.
Okay.
Egwuo m ya gwa onye ọbụla kpọọ ndị Okija gbasịa o nwere onye chọrọ ikwu okwu maka eji ego ya okwugo okwu threat nke ọ gbagbuo m.
Okay.
Nsogbu adịrọ. The only thing na-agwa ndị Igbo bụ na Okija a na-akpọ n'ọnụ maka arụsị na ndị dibịa Okija na-egwu wayo ọ bụrụ all of them no so also one person and the arụsị a na-agba gị ife a na-akpakwa ike ndị ogwu agbụsị akpa ike and ọnwụ bụ onye nụrụ one day na-egwu mmadụ wayo na that arụsị ugwu a na-akpọ ogwu mmiri Okija ogwu mmiri Umuoyi.
Okay.
Because ha na ọrụ okwu onye agadi nwoke ka edebere ebe a ji dị ọfọ ikpecha ekpere ebe ahụ tibiri gị ọfọ kpere gị ekpere Attire egwu wayo na dị arụsị mana nke a nwata pụta ka o kuru akpa yiri akpa leji ọsị nọ ya ji agha ọfọ ogwu akpụ nke a kuru ọsị nọ ya ji ọfọ ogwu akpụ nke a jide ọsị nọ ya ji ọfọ ogwu akpụ amazi onye bụ onye ji ọfọ ịra na-agba gị and all that thing ha na-eme na that place na ọ bụ ofu onye ji ọfọ mere ha ji egwu waya ha na-egwu kọsị n'ụwa niile ịgbatara mmadụ ego yiri ego mmadụ ekwe na ọnwụ ya na-eme.
Okay. Okay.
Ekwechi na ọnwụ ya na-eme were dị arụsị na-egwu wayo were dị arụsị ugwu akpụ a na-egwu wayo.
Okay.
So ịkpọba ndị dibịa ọzọ ndị ọzọ because ofu onye ndị Igbo na-asị na ofu aka lụtụ mmanụ ozu aka niile ọnụ.
Yes, sir.
Ọ bụrụ maka that nwa nkenke anwa mere this thing wee rie ego disi umeanụ ka a ga-eji wee na-akpọ ndị ezigbo dibịa nọ n'Okija o. Onye isi ọdịnala Okija bụ nwanne m nwoke a na-akpọ Abranze Chief Abranze nwa Anụfude Ugochukwu Anụfude.
What has he done? Because now my village, for example, in my village, you cannot claim to be king.
This case, sorry sir, I'm sure na yama boy isi ndị ọdịnala anụgo maka okwu a.
Okay.
Na ọtị na-ekwu. Onye agbagodoro okwu a bụ Ishi.
Okay. Sir, amam you can help with that voice note ebe ahụ ọ sị na ọ ya agbagbu gị na South Africa because Igbo bofu. We must okay.
He can't do you anything, but should in case, we still need to have that. We need enough evidence.
No problem. I'll send the voice to you.
We need enough evidence. Somebody commentary here. Name by Ekwensu Okija. One man has Ekwensu Okija on the prisons now. Name both threatening and may I commit some money. Somebody just commented the one Jerry Blaze here. No threatening and all these things are coming from Okija. So because only it up. You people can call your brothers. As for this particular man, his case will my own, it will be handled. I tell you. But others, should in case of others, and then when action get take, another person knows what such thing need me. Imati today my village can punish him mother. You are aware?
No.
My village like this. Today. Hacho Masa is ego. Oga, he can make the trouble. He can make the problem. They will later defeat the person. If I am to a village, Onya Paro, John Yasin Igebonia, or Mecha Mo, and when my village will stand clearly, prove vote to you, Nini Onya poison. They will banish the person. And then when anybody want a family Onyaho, nobody from the village will near there. And in my village. Till today, the thing I cartel or evil. Do you see these things I demonstrate? It has a lineage, it has a place on I get flow.
Yeah.
We don't care if anybody is rich. If you are rich, to God be the glory. But don't use it to suppress the poor. We don't support that. A very small place, so not to talk of a place, a well-respected place like Okija. These people, they may be a fan of Okija. How can Okija you to bankete? Somebody that got somewhere, got buto zoom mado, zote na mortuary, boot batan Okija. Banya na video, brother, on a may be a fan of Okija. It is destroying the place. Now they say their shrine has power. Even when 100 persons since now, all of them they claim. Now I am a Isiagu, Guabo, only capital, only capital, cigar. Now I am a Tugo. And Okija people are keeping quiet. Uno not there. Your father's not there. Ammonia. Uno Manonia, a human being. He is not demon more than any other person. 1 AK-47, yeah, so why are the people of Okija keeping quiet? Actions needs to be taken. For those of you that stood your ground, for those of you, Zioku, for somebody like you who called from South Africa, pressure back that money, even before I heard it, you are wonderful. What you have done now is a mark. Okay. Chai.
Mana, the only thing when you realize to myself, onye Okija ọbụla nọ na Discord na n'ife na-ekwu ụmụ onye mbụ ọfụma oge egwu ihe a bụ okwu ọjọọ kwuoro onwe ya dazolite na mma mana ka
my brother ị dịkwa sọ na Ishi dị onye ahụ mma
nke a gbasara ya mụ na ya dịrị atọ jolite mma bụ na ma onye ọbụla mụ na ya na-abịa wee mma n'isi adị ya mma na n'isi adịrọ ya mma ọ na mụ ewetara m dị ozi n'oji mmadụ ogbe wee mkpọ na fonu ya na nwaanyị mmadụ ego ya nye dịle dị ego ya ịgbapụtara mmadụ ego arụsị gbapụtara mmadụ ego iri ego dị pesin ka ife na-agbazi ụwa si na dị na-agbazi ị na-agwa ụwa na dị arụsị ka na-arụ ọrụ na-agwa ụwa na iji adị arụsị egwu wayo that's only thing the young man na-ama ekwu osisi ọbụla na-agba pishi ya na Facebook say gbaa pishi ya na Facebook na ọ ka e wee promote kwuo ya isi na ọ na-akọ akụkọ ka anyị trete na amaghị ife mmadụ na-agbaghị sit post your pishi na Facebook ka e wee promote ohi n'ife ọchị emere.
No, there's no problem. We will promote him. We will help him and promote him. Ega bayaka.
then we will promote him. We will make sure we promote him.
Onye send him the voice. The lady. I am now.
Okay.
The lady. You will send those voices into her. Because not just I know the voice. No, there is all the category the phone here. You got my WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yours, but the lady send the voice.
Okay. Okay.
Just what the lady say, I'm going to this call. Now, see, I send the voice. I'm going to send the again.
Mbog send him. She will.
Thank you.
She will send that.
If you are not the all the lady come by that, no, well, I call to send the alarm. Not know boom.
Okay. Okay. There's no problem. There's no problem. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Thank you, sir. All right, wonderful people. Igbo Land. And then Germano, for this purpose we came, and we are stopping at no bus stop, no limits, no end to this. The reason why you see people will always sit around me here physical and watch me teach these things is this, and I give them the permission is so that in case you see what somebody will come up and continue these things we are doing. That's a very big wisdom. That's one thing even our brother Mazi. I seen a woman another actor like him who was clothed in his grace and power. It wouldn't have been this way. When you got another heavy order. When the general is not on seat, then the captain takes over. Thank you. The Shanamite loves you. Good night from me, from here, and from all of us here. We say good night to you. We love you.